How to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. To do so, first what you want to do is you'll have to proceed to open up Snapchat. Once you open up Snapchat, what you want to do is you can head into your profile icon at the top left corner, and here head over to settings of the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and find the delete account option below account status. Now here you'll be able to see it'll take you to accounts.snapchat.com, where you'll have to enter in your password, tap on continue, and your account will be proceeded for deletion. However, if you do not log in back to your account within 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So you want to make sure that you log in back again before the 30 days limit. Now, if you do not find the delete account option directly on through the app, you can head into your web browser and head into Snapchat account portal, or you can head into accounts.snapchat.com on your web browser and there log into your account, and once you're logged in you can find the delete account option right there. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.